Warm greetings from Camel Case to all our fantastic viewers. It's an absolute pleasure to have you back for our second video, where we're diving right in with an enthusiastic discussion on various SDLC models. SDLC models are structured approaches for software development, guiding the creation, testing, and deployment of applications. They outline steps to ensure quality, functionality, and business alignment. Various models offer methodologies tailored to project needs and organizational goals. Alright, buckle up because we're about to dive into our topic, types of SDLC models. The Waterfall model is a step-by-step SDLC approach where software development follows a fixed sequence of phases: requirements, design, implementation, testing, deployment. Each phase is completed before the next begins, making it inflexible to changes, but suited for projects with clear, stable requirements. So here we go with advantages of Waterfall model. Firstly, we have clear structure. The linear progression through defined phases provides a well-organized framework for project management, making it easier to plan, track progress, and manage resources. Similarly, we have well-suited for small projects with stable requirements. Waterfall's sequential nature ensures that each phase is completed before moving on, making it efficient for projects where the scope is well-defined and changes are unlikely, resulting in a focused and predictable development process. So at last, we have easy to manage. Waterfall's structured and sequential approach simplifies project oversight, enabling clear planning, resource allocation, and progress tracking at each distinct phase of development. Disadvantages of Waterfall model. Firstly, here we have lack of flexibility. Waterfall's rigid sequential process makes it challenging to accommodate changes or adapt to evolving requirements once a phase is completed, potentially leading to inefficiencies and difficulty in responding to unexpected needs. Secondly, limited customer involvement. Since customer feedback is typically collected after development phases, there's less opportunity for direct engagement, potentially leading to misaligned outcomes and reduced satisfaction with the final product. And lastly, challenges with changing requirements once a phase is completed. Making modifications becomes complex, leading to potential inefficiencies and costly rework when adapting to evolving project needs. Agile model is a dynamic software development approach emphasizing flexibility, collaboration, and iterative progress. It prioritizes customer needs, adapts to changes, and delivers incremental value through short cycles, fostering effective teamwork and responsiveness. Let's go with advantages of Agile model and explore it. Firstly, we have customer-centric. By involving customers throughout the development process and adapting to their feedback, Agile ensures that the final product aligns closely with their needs and expectations, leading to higher satisfaction and more successful outcomes. Likewise, we hold adaptable to changing requirements. Agile allows teams to seamlessly incorporate evolving needs and market conditions, ensuring that the software remains relevant and aligned with the latest developments, leading to more effective and relevant solutions. So, frequent software releases. Agile's iterative approach allows for regular delivery of working software, providing users with continuous updates and opportunities to provide feedback, leading to quicker value delivery and improved responsiveness to user needs. So, we also hold disadvantages of Agile model. Here is the first point: challenging to manage for larger projects. The iterative nature of Agile may require more intricate coordination and communication, making it complex to scale up effectively for larger teams and projects, potentially leading to coordination difficulties and slower progress. Here we go with requires active customer involvement. Lack of active involvement can hinder decision-making, slow progress, and cause misunderstandings, affecting project success. Eventually, we may need continuous adaptation. Agile's flexibility necessitates ongoing adjustments for changing requirements and circumstances, potentially causing disruptions and increased effort in managing changes effectively. Similarly, Scrum Model is an Agile framework that supports iterative software development with short sprints. It emphasizes collaboration, transparency, and adaptive planning, involving cross-functional teams, reviews, and daily stand-ups. Advantages of Scrum Model. We go with flexibility and adaptability. Scrum's iterative approach enables agile adaptation to changing requirements. With short sprints of 2 to 4 weeks, teams can swiftly pivot and integrate feedback, ensuring alignment with evolving needs. Then we have collaboration and communication. Scrum emphasizes consistent interaction and communication among team members, stakeholders, and customers. Daily stand-ups, sprint planning, and reviews foster collaboration, transparency, and shared understanding, reducing misunderstandings and ensuring alignment. At last, we have early and continuous value deliveries. Scrum provides functional product increments after each sprint, granting stakeholders usable features. This steady value delivery boosts customer satisfaction and enables adjustments based on real feedback, enhancing the development process's effectiveness. Let's go with disadvantages of Scrum Model. And firstly, we have complex to implement. While Scrum seems simple, its successful adoption can be challenging, especially for teams new to Agile. It necessitates a significant mindset, culture, and process shift. Without proper training and support, teams may encounter difficulties in effectively implementing Scrum practices. The next point is lack of clarity for some roles. Scrum defines specific roles: Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. But these roles' responsibilities can be abstract and challenging to understand, especially for organizations new to Scrum. This lack of clarity can lead to role confusion and conflicts within teams. Lastly, we have risk of overcommitment. Scrum encourages teams to estimate their capacity for each sprint realistically. However, some teams may overcommit, leading to unsustainable workloads and potential burnout. Striking the right balance between delivering value and not overloading the team can be challenging. So, we arrive at the DevOps model, marking the final type of SDLC. DevOps model is an approach integrating software development and IT operations, emphasizing collaboration and automation in the entire software delivery lifecycle. It aims to eliminate silos between teams, enabling continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous testing. Advantages of DevOps model. First, we got faster software releases. By automating processes and fostering collaboration, DevOps reduces bottlenecks, shortens development cycles, and enables quicker and more frequent releases, enhancing responsiveness to user needs and market demands. Another, we got improved deployment quality. Through automation and continuous testing, DevOps reduces the likelihood of human errors, leading to more reliable and consistent deployments, resulting in higher software quality and reduced downtime. Better collaboration. DevOps eliminates barriers between development and operations, encouraging open communication, shared responsibilities, and cooperation. This enhances workflows, problem-solving, and both software delivery and operational performance. Disadvantages of DevOps model. In the first place, requires cultural and organizational changes. Implementing DevOps often demands a shift in mindset, work processes, and team dynamics. Organizations may face resistance or challenges in adapting to this new way of working, making the transition complex and time-consuming. Furthermore, might be challenging for distributed teams. Collaboration and communication, which are vital in DevOps, may become more complex when team members are geographically dispersed. This can lead to coordination issues and slower progress in a distributed work environment. At last, can challenge traditional roles. DevOps promotes a culture of shared responsibility and collaboration, which may disrupt established hierarchies and roles. This shift can create uncertainty and resistance among team members accustomed to traditional job boundaries and responsibilities. Now, let's compare all the SDLC models that we have discussed till now. Different approaches of these SDLC models are: Waterfall follows a sequential and rigid approach. Agile takes an iterative and flexible approach. Scrum, a subset of Agile, places emphasis on roles and ceremonies. DevOps integrates development and operations with a strong focus on automation. Let's dive into the flexibility aspect as our second point of discussion. Waterfall. It's known for limited flexibility due to its sequential nature. Agile is highly adaptable to changing requirements. Scrum, offering adaptability within its defined time-boxed iterations. And DevOps, well, it fully embraces changes through continuous delivery. And now, let's explore the aspect of delivery frequency in different SDLC models. In Waterfall, release cycles are long. Agile features frequent release cycles. Scrum involves time-boxed iterations with regular releases. DevOps emphasizes continuous integration and delivery. Concluding our discussion on deployment methods, Waterfall follows deployment after project completion. Agile opts for incremental deployment throughout. Scrum integrates regular deployment within sprints. DevOps emphasizes continuous deployment. So the topic we have discussed in this video can be summarized as: our study of SDLC models, Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, DevOps, shows diverse approaches with strengths and weaknesses. Picking the right model is vital for effective project management and quality software. Stay tuned for our next one, where we'll delve into software testing techniques. Your viewership is greatly appreciated. This much for today's learning. Remember, in the realm of wisdom, we all have a role. Knowledge is the key to reaching our goal.